Such a shame about that place. Absolutely fantastic place. Closed down last year. 42 years it was going. Ponderosa Cafe. Fantastic place. Right, here we go then with another one. Finally we're back out there. It's the middle of February. It's been raining every day since Boxing Day, but we're finally back out there in Llangollen. We're on Cyrn Y Brain, so let's give it a go. It feels brilliant to get back out. Cyrn Y Brain, that's the last time I'm going to say that, because these Welsh people must think what a dummy. But yeah, back in Llangollen around Denbighshire, and it's 1,854 feet. That's pretty lethal, that, isn't it? Be careful to down some of these paths and stick to the side. That's literally a ice slide, isn't it, that? So it's home to a lot of peregrine falcons and merlins around here, birds. And believe it or not, the peregrine falcon, I think it's the fastest bird on earth, and it can reach 200 miles an hour. So this is the final approach to the summit, and we're only on a mile and a half. It's a 9 miler, this is. So we hit the summit quite early on this one. There you go then, that's the summit. So peace, that's another one done. Absolutely epic. Let's get some nice drone footage then. Can't miss this now. So there it is, the highest point in Wales, right in the centre of the screen there. That's Snowdon. It looks absolutely magnificent, doesn't it? In the snow and ice. Beautiful. And that one there's the highest point in Denbighshire, which I've done before, and that's Moel Gamelin there. Obviously that's some kind of mobile communications and satellite tower there. So the Offers Dyke path is over there, that mountain, Eggleswick Mountain, also known as the Panorama Mountain and the World's End in Llangollen. Cracking mountain that. Right, so the old geology fact of the day mainly consists of limestone, this peak. And that's true with a lot of the peaks around Llangollen. So if I just spin you around here, you can actually see the limestone of that mountain I just pointed out, the panorama. Absolutely fantastic. Nothing better than this, getting out hiking. So if you look in the centre of the screen here, that's Craig Y Forwyn, part of the World's End. Quite a famous cliff face, that one. I want to get up to there in the future, so now I know it's could possibly get to it off this path, so I remember that. Craig Y Forwyn. So it's known for a lot of limestone quarries around this area. Obviously limestone, zinc, silver, gold, mainly to the north.
I've had a similar experience in that
Well, there you go, Sir Watkins Tower. It's part of the route. There's some details on the screen. So as you can see, it was a big loop, this one. We're on 6 miles now. It's getting a bit treacherous and cold now. Someone radio testing. So yeah, look, it's been dangerous out here today. Loads of floods, mud, ice, snow. Actually slipped over a couple of times for the first time on these hikes. So if you do one of these, be careful. Probably get some micro spikes next time, I think, for my boots. Got a good grip on them, but a bit too dangerous out here. So apparently between 1900 and 1913 there was around 5,000 shootings per year of red grouse on this mountain and around here. So it's an SSSI now, special site of scientific interest. And that's 7 miles. Not sure if I should head up to Faen as well up there, but it wasn't really in the plans. It's an extra probably mile, but I've done it before, to be honest, when I've done Gamelin. So I'll probably leave that one out today. You can check that out if you want to see it though. Part of the Gamelin route that was, and I took in 4 summits. Yeah, as you can see, it's flooded with all this rain and iced up. Been -2 today on this hike. Just coming up to the end now. Yeah, so as I said this morning, such a shame about that place closing. It was absolutely cracking. Bikers used to love it. Hundreds of them, thousands used to meet up here. 42 years it was going, and it shut last year. I went into there, fantastic place. It's for sale for 750k if you've got the money. I ain't got 750 quid, so I won't be buying this, but I wish I could. Absolutely superb, the Ponderosa Cafe. Fantastic place. Miler. That's it then, all wrapped up in another one. That was Cyrn Y Brain, and it was absolutely superb. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace. Thanks a lot. My coolio's about, look. Slide, slippy slide. Anyways. Peak. So apparently on this peak, between 1900 and what?